Hi everyone, today I'm going to help you with one of the important techniques where people are going to fall in love with your conversation. You must have come to a level where you feel okay, I speak but no one is interested. Do you know what the reason is? The reason is explicit. That whenever you speak, your methods are monotonous. You do not have changes in your conversation. And I personally feel you need to have the transition. If you want to fascinate people, you have to bring that change in you. And today I'm going to give you some adjectives. Yes, you got me right. And whenever we get to know about adjectives, they always add more value to our conversation. They always add a lot of color to our conversation. And when you use adjectives, you always have a lot of confidence. So I'm looking forward to teaching some adjectives to you, and I'm going to help you that how you can use these adjectives. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first adjective today we are going to learn is rapacious. Yes, this is rapacious. It means very greedy. And I personally feel that there are so many situations there we become rapacious. Even I have written an example for myself. I'm rapacious. Yes, it's so true. Who is not rapacious? If I'm rapacious, I'm going to ask that who is not. Deep down, everyone is rapacious for a few things. The next one is what would you pronounce it? So make sure before you use it, you have its right pronunciation. So this is gregarious. Yes, one more time. This is gregarious. Gregarious means sociable, a person who can easily make friends. If you consider yourself that you are gregarious, so you can use this word. If I give you an example like being a teacher, I'm gregarious. And it's so true that earlier I was not like that. Earlier I used to be bashful, but because of this profession, I have become gregarious. One is affluent. I think it is everyone's dream to be affluent in life. Don't you want to be affluent? But you know the meaning of affluent? Okay, if not, so let's learn it. Very rich. Affluent means very rich. If I give you an example, that is, I want to be affluent in my life. I think everyone wants it. Next one is reclusive. Did you understand that? Okay, if not, I'll tell you. Reclusive means living alone. The next one is destitute. Destitute. And there are so many situations that we do become destitute, or if we are destitute, we can also become affluent in life from this situation. The next one is, how would you pronounce it? This is nosy. You must be afraid of this word. You must be fed up with this word, or this word might make you lose your cool. It is because too interested in other people's private lives. And it happens, there are some people, they always poke their nose in your personal matters and you don't like it. So these people are called nosy. For example, stop being so nosy. My neighbors are nosy. I really hate them. I don't like them. The next one is thrilled. This word has a lot of importance in it. Are you not thrilled to watch this video? Are you not thrilled to learn new adjectives? But I am thrilled to teach you some adjectives. For example, I am thrilled today. We can also use it. I have made it very simple. Next one is brazen. Brazen. It means shameless. Make sure you are going to pronounce it correctly. This is shameless. Don't be brazen. There are some situations that people end up becoming brazen or they become brazen. That is not good. That you should always take care of your self-esteem. Alright, so the next one is stalwart. Stalwart. It means faithful, trustworthy. For example, my friends are stalwart. I think we always want people in our life who are stalwart, who are trustworthy, so that you can match your vibes with them. So the next one is circumspect. Circumspect. It means very cautious. Whatever we do, we need to be circumspect in our life. Dhoni is a circumspect player. It's so true. And do you consider yourself that you are circumspect while doing anything? Are you circumspect buying anything online, buying anything offline? If not, so you need to be circumspect. Next one is bloated. It means when you eat a lot and after eating a lot you are not able to digest. This is the same I have written here, full of food and feeling uncomfortable. I think it happens whenever you attend family functions or whenever you attend any functions. Your intention is very clear. You always want to eat more and more. but at the end what happens is you always feel bloated, but that is not good. All right, next one is, this is pronounced as propitious. Propitious, it means auspicious, something is very good. You feel that point of time everything happens in a right way. Every day is propitious for me. Yes, it's so true. I really do not wait for any specific day. Every day is propitious for me. Next one is inhuman. Inhuman, we are good human beings, but if anyone calls you that you are inhuman, it means you are not good, you are very cruel, and I don't want anyone to be inhuman. Example is that people are inhuman these days. Yes, so true that they are inhuman. Next one is, this is petite. This is short, and we usually use it for girls who are short and thin. The example is, my friend is petite but elegant but good looking. The next one is, how would you pronounce it? And this word is already very interesting. Yes, you got it right. Rather than saying very interesting, you can say enthralling. Enthralling. Every time I want to make my conversation enthralling, every time I find everything enthralling in my life. The same example I have used. I always try to make my conversation enthralling. Do you find this video enthralling? If yes, please let me know in the comment box. Next one is splendid. Splendid, it means very impressive. It can be anything. If you go for a tour, if you watch any movie, or if you watch any cricket match, if you find it very impressive, you can say that, okay, that was splendid. If I give you my example, it was a splendid movie. I watched a movie and I found it very impressive. I found it very nice. That's why I used splendid. The next one is diligent. Diligent we use for people those who are very hardworking. You always say this to people who are very hardworking. You always say, my father is hardworking, my mother is hardworking, my teachers are hardworking or very hardworking. Stop doing this. Stop using it. You must say diligent. If I give you an example, my students are diligent. I'm also diligent with my students. Okay, so the next one is easygoing. I think everyone likes people, those who are easygoing. I do not consider myself easygoing. It is because the meaning of it, not easily upset and annoyed. It means people, whatever you say, they are always calm, they are chilled out. For example, my father is easygoing and he does not take any tension. He's not worried so easily. Alright, so next one might look a bit long, but it is easy to use if you know the meaning. I'm going to help you in it. This is pronounced as ignominious. Ignominious. Its O is silent, that's why I have marked it already. The meaning of this word is very humiliating. If I give you an example, it was an ignominious defeat. There are some situations where we find these situations are really ignominious, and I hope you are going to use this word with an easy way. Okay, next one is, it is not an adjective. Please pardon me for that. It is a noun. And I'm going to give you the right pronunciation. This is pronounced as sycophant, and it is countable. Sycophant means flatterer. There are some people, they will come to you, they will praise you unnecessarily because they want something from you. That's why these people are sycophants, and you will find sycophants everywhere. I have given an example for that. My team leader was a sycophant, and after that he became a manager. Do you know why? Because he was a sycophant. He used to praise people unnecessarily in order to get his work done. Alright. The next one is impersonal. Impersonal means very unfriendly. There are some people, and you might have some friends, you might have some relatives, you might have some neighbors who might be impersonal, means very unfriendly. Rich people are impersonal at times. I personally feel that. Next one is polyglot. Polyglot we use for people who can use many languages. Next one is ribbed. Ribbed means very tight, and it also has one more meaning. It means we use it for people those who are into bodybuilding and those who have nice muscles. So there we can say that they are ribbed. For tone clothes we can also use it. Sometimes I like to wear ribbed jeans, means sometimes I like to wear very toned clothes, either they are jeans or shirts. Next one is effeminate. Effeminate. It means a man who looks or behaves like a woman. Now this society has accepted it, that if someone is effeminate, we accept that, and it is people's choice. If they enjoy doing this, they must do that. They are okay to be effeminate. This is my example. My cousin is effeminate, and we really do not have any problem with him. Next one is apprehensive. Apprehensive means very worried. And I think this word can be used in our day-to-day conversation. Sometimes we are apprehensive for something, and we are not very clear that what we are really apprehensive about, but somewhere we are. If I give you an example, parents are always apprehensive for their children's future. I think yes, sometimes we are apprehensive about our English, sometimes we are apprehensive about our career too. Next one is sagacious. Sagacious means very wise. And I have used an example for that. That is, Sadhguru is sagacious. And one more example I have taken. Teaching has made me sagacious. Yes, it has really made me very wise. The next one is sanguine. It might sound like penguin. Sanguine. We use it for very optimist. People, those who are optimist, we can use for them like they are optimist. If I give you an example, in order to succeed, you have to be sanguine in your life. Next one is sharp-witted, means very intelligent. I personally feel, and the example is doctors are sharp-witted. Whatever you want to do in your life, deep down you have to be sharp-witted. If you are not sharp-witted, you are going to face a lot of problems and things will not come to you very easily. Next one is ill-mannered. Ill-mannered means very rude. And I don't like people, those who are ill-mannered. I don't like talking to them. Example that I have taken is John is ill-mannered. If John is ill-mannered, I am not going to talk to John. Last but not the least, this one is monolithic. Monolithic means we mostly use it for buildings which are very large or very impressive. For these buildings, we can use monolithic. My office was monolithic. Yes, it is true. I was very much impressed by my office building. That's why I joined that organization. Thanks for watching. If you have liked anything from this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it with your friends. If you want me to make more videos like that, please let me know in the comment. Alright, till then, enjoy your time. Happy Holi in advance. Thank you.